So there's this one exercise that I've been seeing on TikTok. I think it's called the gorilla rolls or something like that, which I've been seeing and I'm like, I'm gonna try it. So let's try it. And we're gonna see how we like it. Alright, so apparently you set up two dumbbells and you bend over and pick them up in the row. So you have to keep your back flat. I guess it would be just like a bench roll where you're flat, it's a flat back. Let's do it. I'm gonna do one at a time. Let's see. I'm doing 25 pounds. Not bad. I can see how you can break form easily though, as opposed to on the bench. A few things I noticed. I was breaking form. It's kind of hard to stay stable in that bent over position because you're activating all your smaller muscle to stay that way, as opposed to when you're on the bench. The bench is there giving you that stability. And I can see how it would be difficult to go higher in weight. Um, my review of it, I think it's cute, but I feel like the bench rows would be more effective only because it gives you that stability. You reduce the risk of injury, and you're able to go higher with the weight. But that's just me. I'm gonna pull a short clip of what I mean by the bench rows. So this is what I mean by bench rows. If you can see, it's the same position you're mimicking. Your back is flat, you're bent over. But notice I'm not moving too much in my legs. I got that firm foundation so I can do the reps in and possibly increase my weight without risking injury. It's the same range of motion, and then that's another thing too. The muscle group that you're targeting, you can still target it on the bench rows as opposed to the gorilla rows. You can, it's the same muscle group. So why risk injury if you can find a safer way to target the same muscle group? You get where I'm going with that? I mean, if anybody have a different opinion, leave it in the comment section. Maybe I was doing the gorilla rows incorrectly, but that's just my professional, as a certified personal trainer with NASM, that's just my professional opinion. This ain't no scientific proven fact. This is an opinion. But let me know what y'all think.